Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is going to be on Target, Walmart, and a little bit of Five Below Christmas decorations. Pretty much a Christmas haul in Clean and Decorate with me. So this video is actually taped back in November. My family has caught just this virus/bug for the past 4.5 weeks. I have literally not been uploading at all for the past 3 weeks. So I guess this video is better late than never. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Becky, nice to meet you. I would love it if you could consider subscribing and joining our family on this crazy journey we call YouTube. Alright you guys, without further ado, I apologize again for not getting this up sooner, but without further ado, let's get into the video. The Glimmer Snow Blanket, the Wonder Workshop Tinsel Garland, a glass water bottle. I got this from the Target dollar spot, and Christmas. I also got just the dish towels. I think I pointed this out to you guys before. These will literally just be for display only. So if you guys see my Target dollar spot video, the Rose Gold House, had to get it. And we got another one. I got the silver little mini tree. That was $1. I wrapped these all really good. The blue, how gorgeous is this? And that's like the medium sized tree. And another blue one. So the trees, the houses, and then the garland is from Target for the girls. We got the silver tinsel tree for $8. We already took the tag off there. We also got some mini shatterproof ornaments. There we go. So we got these for the girls. And these were from Walmart. And then I got these. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them or if I'm going to use the ones that I got from Walmart yet. These lights are from Walmart. Batman stocking. That will hang up later. And then I got these little mini bulbs because I'm thinking about putting them in vases. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. The medium-sized bulbs. So there's 1,000 paper clips in here, the big ones and small ones, and I can use them for my office as well as hanging ornaments because the ones at Walmart do not have any hooks on them. But I might be using these for the vases. And then I also did have Maurice pick me up some silver ones. I couldn't find any of the mini silver ones, so he got me these ones instead, which they're very sparkly and very pretty. So this is from Walmart, this too. So I also got this from Walmart as well. It's 6 feet of the garland, and there's just silvery snowflakes. I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet. This will actually be going up on the window, and I got 2 of these. And then I got, see, there we go. There's a rainbow effect. Warm Winter Wishes. These are from Walmart as well. So we got the 3 centerpieces. This will be for the table / a counter. Who knows? This will actually go up on Christmas Eve. And then these will be just like the banners, snowflake banners. Very pretty. And then I also got the plates to go along with it. And then of course, can't have the napkins, or you can't have the plates without napkins. So I got the napkins as well, and there's 16 of them in each pack. That's plenty for our family and who's coming over. And then for the girls, I really don't need cups, but I thought it'd be fun just to get a few cups for the kids. So yeah, and there is 8 cups in here. For the girls' tree, I got an 18-inch mini tree skirt. Thought that'd be it'd go well with their pink. The girls don't know this yet, but I got the Rainbow Dash for Akaya for the tree, the big tree, and then I got Minnie for the big tree as well. And the girls they haven't seen that yet. Not sure if I'll be using this yet. I just got it just in case, because I can always return it if I end up not using it, but I thought it'd be really cute. I can shove something like a candle back here. And I thought this was really, really pretty. And I was thinking about putting the bulbs in this. We will see. I don't know if I'm going to do that yet or not. The stocking, the unicorn stocking for Akaya. Rooms in Bloom 6 cinnamon scented pine cones. So I got the 6-pack, just 2 of them. Because I want the scent. Silver garland. 9 feet of it for $3. I had to. It's gorgeous. So I got 2 of those. Alright you guys, I realized I did not tape an ending to this video. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Alright you guys, as always, thank you for watching and have a great night. Bye-bye.